Ikruok koro chieng' ne tuke mag Safari Rally ma higani mar 2024 ka tukegi ibiro bagi e kind tarik 28 gi 31 e gwenge ma Naivasha. Adrian Foukmax mawuok e piny mar France, Terry Neville mariembo ne tim mar Hyundai gin moko kuom derepe manondikore e higani ne piem ma kama ka gisemolo pacho ka motelone ne tuke ma kamago. Timbe koro keto ikruok margi mane onegi yudo loch. Tielo ma Kenya en mano mar adek bang' tielo mag Rally Monte kaachiel gi Rally Sweden.
Because we have limited time and you need to make sure everything goes well. So far the cars are being prepared and we are just prepping ourselves, doing a bit of fitness here and there and eating healthy diets and trying to make ourselves physically and mentally prepared for the rally, because it's not easy. It's not as easy. The stages there are very hard and tough on us. So we have to build ourselves in readiness for the rally.
The car is almost ready. We'll test it throughout the week, this week, and then we start recce on Monday. So it's come up pretty quickly. The preparations are good. I've been using another car to try and just get hone my driving skills, but actually getting in the car will be the first time will be this week.